Hey guys, in this video we'll learn another few objectives for the MO-100 exam, and namely how to set line and paragraph spacing and indentation, apply built-in styles to text, and clear formatting. Before we start, as always, I encourage you to subscribe so that you don't miss out on any new training content, and if you find this video useful, please smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm. Now, let's begin perhaps by applying built-in styles to text. They are available on the Home tab here. This is called a style gallery, and to view all styles that are available to you, click here. And I actually find this window quite useful when you want to apply styles multiple times. So to apply them, you simply select your text and click the particular style. Also notice when I click here, it says that we have heading 1 style for this text applied. Now this one, for example, is heading 3. And to make this one a title style, we simply select it. And I want to show you actually one neat trick is that you don't have to use cursor in that way to select your text, but you can simply click on the left hand side here. So now I have selected this entire line. To select multiple lines, I simply drag it, and to select a few lines, I can use the Control key or Command on Windows to select those lines. So let's select just this one and apply title style. Perfect. So that is applying built-in styles to text. The next objective is to clear formatting. This is very easy. You simply select the text that you want to clear, go on the Home tab and click here, clear all formatting. Perfect. The last objective for today is to set line and paragraph spacing and indentation. For that, let me quickly insert 2 lorem ipsum paragraphs so we can work with them. Perfect. And the options relevant to this objective are available again on the Home tab. Either you can click here for quick indentation and spacing options, or you can go here, paragraph, and you have indent and spacing. So notice that now we have 0 left and 0 right indent. We can make it, for example, 1. Let's click OK. Perfect. Now this is applied to the entire text. We can also set the type of indent, for example, first line, like that. Let's remove this one, and now the first line indent is set to 1/2 inch. Let's click OK. Perfect. The next type is hanging indent, which looks like that. Now let's perhaps remove the indentation to none, like that. And let's take a look at spacing. So now the default spacing for normal text is applied, which is before 0 points and after 8 points. You can also set the line spacing, which is currently set to 1.08. We can set it, for example, to 2, like that. Let's revert it. And notice the change when I set the after spacing to 0. So now there is no spacing, and we can set the before spacing to 12 points, for example. Let's click OK. And that's it. So yeah guys, that is all for today. I hope you find it useful. If so, smash that like button, and we'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye.